Zacks rank buys, stocks with a short-term buy or strong buy recommendation. Now, here are more Zacks rank buys. Let's talk about a couple of aggressive growth stocks now, shall we, with Bill Wilton, our aggressive growth stock strategist at Zacks.com. Lubrizol Corporation, LZ, the ticker symbol. That's one you've talked about with us before, isn't it?
Yeah, we've actually been talking about them for quite some time now. They do industrial lubricants and other applications
I knew it was
that are
familiar
related
for
to that.
some reason.
Yeah, but one thing that they just keep doing is analysts, it seems like they fall in love with this stock every day all over again. The estimates continue to keep climbing. We're looking at earnings that are supposed to be doubling over the course of the next couple of years.
Wow.
Their most recent quarterly report, they saw a 26% jump in sales to $1.4 billion. Their earnings per share came in at $2.88, a full 50 cents ahead of expectations. So they're not just beating by, a penny or two here and there. They're, really just knocking the cover off of it, which is what I like to see. On top of that, because they're getting so many earnings estimate revisions, we're still seeing the valuations, continue to show not only that on a per share, earnings per share basis, things are trading at a discount, but also those growth rates are also a discount as well. It's still a Zacks #1 rank, again, thanks to those earnings estimate revisions. And this chart really tells the whole story here. You can see these multicolored lines. Those reflect 1 year of the consensus estimates. And you can see them just trending right into the upper right-hand corner of the chart. Absolutely what you want to see. That just shows year-over-year growth. And, it's almost like the analysts need to keep re-upping, and they can't even keep track of how well the earnings are going for Lubrizol. Definitely something that you want to see, especially in a growth stock.
All right, shooting higher. ARW Electronics is another one that you've written about recently. ARW, the ticker symbol. They are in, I guess, just industrial commercial electronics, huh?
Yeah, they supply components and things like that to original equipment manufacturers and directly to other consumers. They've got a great growth story. This is one thing that you're seeing these companies. There's so much pent-up demand that they really need to start upgrading all their equipment. So they go to a company like ARW Electronics. They also have fantastic valuations, and the other thing that I really look for in companies is the earnings history that they have. Right now, ARW is coming off its 7th consecutive earnings surprise. We've seen time and time again that a company that reports an earnings surprise is more likely than other companies to report another one. So, you've got that momentum. They're beating estimates. It's definitely what you want to see. They've also had a huge rebound as far as the outlook for the company going through the recession. They're back up to a Zacks #1 rank, and again, here's the same type of chart. It's a very different story because you can see the estimates falling off as we headed into that recession. People pulled back on their orders. Now you're seeing that come back. I hate to use the term V-shaped recovery, but that's what we wanted to see in the economy. And on a company-specific level, we're seeing it with ARW Electronics.
All right, do you own either of these two?
I do not.
If you want to check out more Zacks Rank Buy stock pick ideas, go to our homepage at Zacks.com if you're not there already. We put 4 new stock pick ideas up for you daily, up in the upper right-hand corner, one in each of the investing categories that we write about on Zacks.com. With Bill Wilton, I'm Terry Ruffalo.